morning guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Montclair at kasalukuyang magsisimula na ang CF Moto Challenge. I think this is a first for CF Moto at ang mga participant dito are the MT owners. Kaso hindi tayo sumali this year this time kasi ewan ko, parang ginabahan pa ako ng slight, no? Nagpa-practice pa tayo. At sa tingin ko, mas mag-enjoy tayo kapag nanood na lang muna tayo dito. So, samahan nyo muna kami at manood muna tayo ng the very first CF Moto MT Challenge here in the Philippines. Grabe yung grand prize ito kasi yung mananalo daw na team, yung isasabak at all-expense paid trip sa Australia. Diba? Pangmalakasan. So, let's go! Mga CLC, support sila, nakakatuwa.
Here we go, 30 seconds.
Yan na, team 450 MT Bros na.
These are the 450 MT Brothers, team 450 MT Brothers. Here we go. Oh!
Nahirapan siya sa logs.
Making sure that he has a
Grabe mga gamit dito, yo. Solid, live streaming.
With the back rear tire, his weight over the back, so he's able to push his bike forward.
Drone ng live streaming.
And of course, preparation is actually one of the key of this obstacle. Before you enter an obstacle, kailangan mag-make preparation mo. You know the angle, you know the surface, kung paano yung atake. So mapapansin po natin is now actually pulling this harder right now. That's correct, Gino.
Guys, yung mga
obstacles natin. So, and the United States Naval Base in Subic are still here. 1992.
We have people watching from all the way from Mexico.
Wow.
Ivan Sanchez. Once again, this is the first ever CF Moto MT Challenge.
Todo mo na.
And guys, I want to ask you, each team does have 30 minutes to complete all three riders to get through the course.
Galing. Oo, pero congrats pa rin. Grabe yung experience nyo.
Mas mahirap na konti pero ano naman, nalaban naman kahit pa paano. Nag-skip lang ako sa mga ibang course para yung time matipid ko para makapasok lahat. Kaso hindi umabot yung isang player namin. Pero all over, sobrang solid. Solid, no?
Magaling.
Now going to proceed to the next
Rider na to. Grabe, oh. Ito nga pala yung dala naming mga gamit. Ay ka naman. May kasama pa nga. Oh, di ba? Oh. Guys, bili kayo ng ganito pagka marami kayong dala at medyo may mga obstacles like this. Tingnan nyo naman yung dinaanan namin papunta dito. Grabe putik, di ba? Pero maning-manik dahil dito sa trolley na to. Cart na to. Okay, third rider.
The last rider should be the most
Tayo muna yung bike.
Okay, so this is...
Let's all watch Philippines! Nice one right there, no stopping, no falling down. Here he goes, Nico Marquez.
Grabe.
The 450 MT Bros participated as well earlier. And then Team WWR TNP EAP was next. So this is going to be team number 4, Team Aero Off-Road Team.
Riding here, doing the handlebar lift on the obstacle number 1. Lakas talaga ni Jeff. Look at the power, guys! You know, this is it! This is it!
That course
was perfect. Boulder zone up next.
That course is really wet right now.
That's right, Gino. Looks like Gently is managing the run. That's the hardest part of where they would like to have their tires contact with boulders.
Here we go. On the boulders.
Obstacle number 2. Boulders.
Everybody, can we all cheer for Gently? G-U-A! One ball! Nice one on the boulders!
Clear the boulders, no problem for Jeffy.
Oh, she's standing up! Oh, fast and close to Gently! Now!
Is this how you want to be riding your CF Moto 450 MC? Look at the power! There she goes! Oh! You guys want to see this, right? Oh! deadly. And you guys, right now, Jet has the biggest smile on her face as she's maneuvering.
The Outlaw 450, now Manikis on your screen for the boulder. Looks like now he's controlling his bike. Oh, he's standing. Will he control his bike over and over? He's gonna go pushing. We still have 5 minutes.
Mau Manikis, nasa taas.
We are on Team Aero,
Oh my
off-road team.
Okay, that's it muna. Patikim lang muna tayo. At yan ang mga kaganapan dito sa...
Excited ka ba? Natuwa ka ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Kinabahan mo?
hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako. Actually, natuwa naman ako. Nakakatuwa naman makita yung mga co-riders natin ng 450 MP. Ang hindi lang medyo nakakatuwa is yung pagbagsak. Siyempre, medyo masakit sa mata. Pero ganoon talaga. Yan ang adventure riding. Sabi sa akin nung isang dito organizer, ni-ride nila to nung tuyo pa. Oo, nag-practice yung iba dito pero this time, hindi lang times 2, hindi lang times 3, pero parang times 4 pa nga yata yung hirap nito sa nangyayari ngayon dahil umuulan, puro putik. Anyway, I hope na enjoy nyo ng konti yung video namin. Short video lang to. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, today is Saturday, July 5, no? Bukas meron pa. And see you.
Bye!
And then of course,